One of the unique things about us is how we set up your Eleos implementation is using what's already there. So we're not building or redesigning like a whole new workflow within your system. You have your system, it's already set and ready to go. So we see that, and we are able to tailor our solution to best fit what you already have and what your providers are already using. So to that end, because it's already been kind of defined, that starting point, we can take kind of that technical heavy lifting for Eleos because we're building to those specifications that you've already designed. And then from there, we want to be able to collaborate. So like I said, we try to get a couple of test users set up for you to get your hands in there and try out what we have set up very, very early. Sometimes that's even during our implementation kickoff. Other times it's very shortly afterward. But using that as kind of a starting point to tell you how quickly we can move. And also how we can keep it very light for you while you still have that level of input and feel like we are collaborating in how we design your Eleos solution together.